Alright, welcome back to the bench. I've been working on my axial rift, but today I have ordered some sliders for my Tuff truck. And they came in today. They were made by Injora. I've had really good luck with Injora parts. A lot of people say they're junk, but I'm going to tell you right now, I don't know if they ever used them or not, but they're just following along what everybody says, but now these look pretty good to me. I think these are going to work. How they're going to work, I don't know, but I think they're going to work. They're made for the SCX-10-2, supposedly. I need them to be dropped down just a little bit from this to get the wheel clearance that I want. Now all I gotta do is figure out how I want to put them on and get them where I want them. So basically, I'm looking at, this is where they would be if they're original, or at the height. I want them to be here. I've got my body post set for the height I want. So these rock sliders have got to be down here, about 10 millimeters too high. So how do we get these mounted and still get this lower? That would be perfect. Let's take the provided holders off. Okay guys, this is perfect. These lock sliders fit really well. I'm getting the correct ride height, just what I wanted. I mean, I couldn't ask for a better fit. All right, so that's the stance we're gonna have. Everything's lined up, wheelbase is lined up, body's lined up, sliders are lined up, tires are the right size. We've got what we're looking for. So the sliders from Injora fit this body perfectly. They're out, all the way out with their brackets, and that body width is perfect for that body. Okay, so I am happy with the purchase. This is the Tuff truck, and we will be back later to finish up the body. I keep saying we're going to get to the body, but always running into something. Making some changes. We're using a hard body on a SCX 10.2. We're using leaf springs on a SCX 10.2. We've got internal spring shocks on a SCX 10.2. So, yeah. But it's working. It's working out very well. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. You guys have a great day.